so sa esan say you say ye young ones na aba no odake mu ode owo efie enti you say e brighter place bi but e bia na ne kukuwa mu no ono pe ne nim yo e dey okom enti to me ne die me hu say on her part no e ye say o ma ye hu ni a okom say ye yenso ye betu ye honfo
any adofono mema obibia akwaba ede eba too much GH so Ghana wahala jumedie na muniguso amuhwe na ebusuafo sede munim no eye ensem bebre na edi atentwe ewo social media eye ya abefo yententen so na baby a just obia e kana adwen obia kire na adwen fa enoma ekoso na eno na eye Dr. Kwaku Oten wono nso so ne fourth wife sede mu amunim no Sally eye amoakoa sede dodo na anim no se ekwia GMB wono nso so atake to eye ni Facebook page ama wono nso so the month of August no we reveal some secret and I said no maybe ohu ne say ebetumi esie na ebetumi aboana ne nsema wodi etu edwa no ebusuafo menkenkan emfa emamum 7% represent perfection. Hence, God will perfect His will in our life this month of August. We are in hard times, but God will show His face mightily in our lives. May this month take away every pain we experienced the previous month and present to us joy, peace, and love. Happy New Month, family. And our day love emojis, any emoji I just to and any ajo or chira wardrobe a day or two ijana ebusia for when ya day in same way our caption ye when infonya so to hop pegana for someone him say Ghana for dear e just say one chese bibia be bia na ebeso ma dia ye bibi o ma som na se de o ma twinse ni mu akwa akosie na ebusuafo esewani ensese ye kan e de chona mi twa me ho aba me ba me de mu nchemu e be ba besom
fitiani asese ni din and your friend say mechanic na prophet kum chacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro and ma ba too much GH shit na prophet kum chacha me so me hwe
Ebusiafo akaba sonko ensanko ma mubiem so munya ebreji ejetie eye ensema yede eba besomo enonyamishwa mopa na na wo hwe eye ma ho fefo wo motem nsanifa so atimu se new faces abem eye menuaba Miss Mexical na eye me ma menso so na ya boche na enede me ne wo mo eba aba betwetwe enkomo ede afa eye ensema eye ekuasale amwako a ode atu ejano oba mesi mo akwaba binyaba mejibusu emu ode mambo che bibia wokodi
na me adom bigiti sa won so ho
ya me adom nso me ho ye kasa kra ne kumi no oba mesi mi di free wo so wo hwe eye Sally amakwa eye kwa GMB ni nsem ode atu dwa wo be hye eye nyina se ye benya eye a good and a happy August year then abetumi aka fa ho
yo minyaba me da wase no question what amame mena makunya iso echia too much etiefo ne ahwefo ni na ya mi show bibia ojibrehwe
insurance
na minyaba oh say ya simple obi a wo ho kwan so professor gu na brabo so
okay
ena minyaba nso adwen ho say prophecy obi hia enti say wetimi ma ne kobedwem ena ma ne betu social media say you new month mo nia wakom bia obi ukọ ha mu osumu arewo mu yenreshe for that again enti ene onsusumu month we enye ye ma a good message and all the two one na message we once at times nipa kasa omo mass speech indirectly omo kan ensembi yes see experience is the best teacher
yeah
nti onim ni awoka
okay
onim say months ago this year assistant and PACC e won ni kunu Dr. Kwaku Otentem na enye nsema yede nti on ebi okobibi mu okoya obi mu okọ ahụchire bi mu e ma na ni da so ni na okoya mu nti sa ya wokọ mu ni na ono no onreshi mo obi foforo enti obi wo kasa asem na wo ka no nim ne wo ka o ka se ne be obi nso ne okomu no o de be chichiri obi re me dey say na me hu ni say indirect speech.
Oh, okay.
Indirect speech, but since ebe boa obi no very good of her.
Okay. Miss Boche, ye share ye de ye nua ba Mercy wache na adwen e de afa ho na woni ne ya adwen.
Okay, men so make sure too much ahwefo any etiefo nyina. Em say me no ye adwen wo kwan bi so.
Okay.
Esan say em say ne ye sister no efi no eye ni experience.
Okay.
And na the experience ne to ma younger ones na eba ne so omo nso ebetie na omo di bi ato omo kotodwem na omo di bi ato omo etiko esan say so okoto say obi abodwe say ehye a wo be say nsuo esiwo di ne ho esan so onim ni a ono nso obekom enti mefa ne say ye efutuo ani inkransha ono nso ede ma afoforo na eba no
na ohun ne say ye nyoma esisi ye say de wo kan previous pain ne won ko ne ba no ohun ne say wo kan ma ye Ghana fo ehun say de ne ye hu nyoma say ye normal na nye sa na net ye ba na like it was something different our experience ye nti ne bia ma ne kasa.
Okay, me da say e woni wo question ni e me say ni e okomu no eno hu pains e na ma ode eba out no se ni obi anso ebehu se ebia na enye so za esan se yenim se ye young ones na aba no odake mu ode owo efie enti yenim se eye brighter place bi but ebia na ne kukuwa mu no ono pe ni nim yo eden okom enti to me ne die me hu se on her part no eye se oma ye hu ni a okom se ne ye nso ye betu ye honfo
Oba Mercy
Me ya ba.
obi a waware ye panyi a wo sika wo ye companies ne ho nkone ba ya obenya na ebetimi abro so a wontimi enkan hye ni mu agi so obebe kama nipa nyina ate se wafa eya omu because of say one year manager of Angel TV enu nti na ema na ekasa na se dintia
Na rekia. Se meti asia se ye nua ba no one Dr. Kwaku Otinomu ni obi.
no correct.
Okay. Sesia that speech or the abano. Either to two things.
Okay.
Me na me expect say divorce ye chianke ni je bi no de beba beto so. Nancy baby or the akoto no chire say divorce no ko mu no bibi we chire.
Okay.
Like enye ni pemu eno
And
be
be
free.
okay.
Aware enim.
Okay.
Enti ema ni di yaw. Ema ana me na me free to say aware a utoso de. Emba bebe like previous women e wo ho. Be man life me no psychological calculate me kun.
Samu.
So what one so wakra for 3. Naturally no, it's not accepted, but when it comes to reality, you have to face it.
Okay.
Enti anumpo no, it to me how it me free say be free mono crampo no when you ni liberty and kobenya be maybe to herself and ke be boa no, but me change mu be mu na kire say me nia ba no ye nu ne ho. Aware na we free mono. Oye nu ne ho.
Okay.
Because bia first oye manager man Angel we respect one ho. One say we winning Ghana most beautiful. All right. Betwem.
Yeah. 2011.
Say our present what you are doing, or present life no, it counts. And I know your manager. So she and I papa your worrying you so was she can't until she was well known. And at times obi shewu kono once any party celebrate, we don't celebrate emptiness.
Yeah.
We celebrate success. Into where she was no holding original bia obuo one ho ini die one ho better than say you get access to it or take it for granted. Say see our sifon mini aba
so does it mean that we ja ware a wo bua nkofo wo ma no ehwere wa na
tell me pa you ko say see our sifon jinabia sa jinabia we nyina abono
Okay.
Obi odi ni die man bia sesi a onya hwemfiri wa onya ne boss onya we obey da be so sa. Obi ape baby ade wo.
Okay.
Enti was street san nyoma we enti she's going through a lot. Now why na egu na nkasa no. A side of a big deal. And son na be ni gina bi o wa ya gidi ama ne nyonko ba.
Okay.
Onu anadanfo.
Okay.
Nina it affects you.
Okay.
Indirectly. And now say we jaya warrior. Oba when you monya ye fan she be ma no. Won ga na ye jaya warrior ka say be ma no na ma oba ne ko. E be ka so oba ni suba wentimi aware. Enti obi wo be ko through a lot, even the family crampo. Family a baby a wo wa ye nya bibi kakra. Udi mu we sie free wa. Family no say bia na omo expect free one emba. Omo so be disappointed in you. Obi be in real character. One say ujina baby a respect amount for them or you different from you are not doing anything. Enti my sister no wa go through a lot. And I will losing so. We losing in the sense say new crew no ye odimu.
Okay.
Even those other side disadvantages in other in ba wa be jealous or baby anywa or be one rival any beje.
Okay.
Jealousy. Even our God is a jealous God. Eti ye pretending ye territory be man won sa. But enye ni jeso and enye ye peso.
Okay.
Enti enu poni di anka. But obi be ka se from pine to fire. E bia enyoma nkiti bi wo wa ne kunu ye ma no a onkonya wo baby.
Okay.
E bia baby ana first one of the sabo sikem. Sesi a wo twi a o kan. Yeah, baby at first one is sick and so on the bag you move on a account mo. Say see your budget. And everything is like you.
Okay.
Boom. First someone was supportive.
But you saying that you are singled out, you are doing everything on your own.
And the best money best sponsor acquire because of Nessan. And you it wouldn't be like omu do. And I know or the baby I must say yet to sell ban won't do na be man the baby amano. Me banning tina me ye de amount. It ain't to send ya or do who do won't send about your influence when it comes to Bema or doing.
Yeah.
And no dear, he would do anything to make you happy. Say see no on ya that side then. And she has been through a lot. But oba social or you'll be of per fashion or per dressing. And in bands so at times we keep our what we are going through.
Okasa yawa.
At times in you may be a common, yan Bessie, I was a man, ya bet chichi was Ukoka how I could so go be so. Oh, when they say how or Chinano of the Kawachi asem. It's on one in Nimunia, or come, but not somebody a fat, I'm some one.
Miss Butchie. Yeah, my Amy Abbey, somebody to just say, ooh, Jaya, u Phyllis, like say. O shre enyoma unim sa ware a wowom se o free mu a o be hre ade nti denti na be ma na ba otirimu se o be jai aware na afei o hwe se de enyoma a wo hre na afei o be take it to social media page aba be hre e ba be so de agu nipa so se obi mama chekere wo wre
yo oba pasika emese me ne me sister e ya adwene wo be me ne nya adwene mu be
okay pa cho chire me
because owa aware enyim ne wo mse sika wo nti wen se vida one fe bia ntu na chida
okay
oni aims and ambition oni se echna anana de chinya no me wo purpose bi wa brabo me wo se me ko menyim ana se baby a me wo no from onya den enti hoda nti e wo se me so medwene se me future me career ni si baby a echne bi ana de chie bi se bi ba sisi ana me ye den me so me de be bo me ho ban me ye sure se o de sa nyema we nyina to place but just say bia our reject na wan susu da se ebeba enimenimu ya enu na ebi enu ni pains a okomba me ya sure say obe secure on life because onu akase hu say wa ontoso ba ko ontoso mienu ontoso miensa inti yes into oda e was so ni su me kasa say e baby am we me nya secured inti e was be dikan if you a dream future me that because you are very young
yeah
onyini ndru baby obakasa ontimi ware biem enti pains na amane e kasa idea we ye bia we nsusu se ebebe ni benimu ya but our second chance to get married anytime Ebia no wakonya ne obru ni kunu ne so eno nso
Okay.
Ebi so a no wankonya ne otese ni kunu no eno nso wo se oye nipa wo se ohwe ni nyina se onya ne ne ebru ni kunu ne bia no so a obe ne sen se we nya ne otese ni kunu ne nso no onya low class a obeso mu ana because see an expenses akosro nti e bi obefrɛ se wo se okonya te se despite news ana ameboa
No correct.
but e wo se odwe ogwe ni nyina se baby a medri menya ana menya ana se menya single mother akoti se mewu efri okrati asefo asat because owoba
Okay. Yeah, onye eba
owoma ena bia be ma no ebe support ba enya se ne no ote ho no nti wo se ope edwuma a ebe boa no because se bi oba wo ye edwuma a be ma ntimi mblofe eye no kre what you say tell your own friend ni ntu ni kunu ni so too much because we free mu no ne ebe ba ne ntisa ne wote ho
Eja say me ntwa no meti wase ya o depending woni kunu so too much enu nti na ma like nyoma tutu sa na asa esi wo pofri mu edema no
esi wo pofri because na wa we nsusu da se betimi abale sa
okay
because ka open no dem
no correct
efie no ya worry na ne ma ne fie ana meboa na sisi ya no fine ono wo ba bia onji fie no onji ka no e bia na every year no e wo sike bi odema sisi ya no nu ni ho nti se sika no e bia obechem pere na wa ba nti wunya ne se ne na wote ho
okay
na me chese na owo mu no nti wandwe sa ne ma we se e wo se mi di bisie se da achi bi se bi process se bi o e bia oni ho bie mu a yare wo ho nti oni wa me kwa mitimi ntina ana me kwa mitimi mo me bra ana me dofo me boa
mate wase fa
nti sisi ano e wo se e pains na ogomwa we susu da enu ho yaw e na e bi o de be tro sa se odi hye yensu ye nkran se ne se bibi ba unexpectedly a eden ye beye
na Mrs. Eminchawa no is it advisable as a young lady wusiswa do you have to be a second wife third wife to a rich man advisable
obapa o ye ya enye it depending baby a wo free and na se bi ewrade nhira no o nhira se ukwa asori nko ahụ ena otimi di obi kunu hira wo se wonimu a enye se oba se obese wo ebi odi obi a wawa kunu ba ebi na efia wo free mu nye ba ode ba se wo so dibre bi beko enim ye beto wonka wo hu ebi na one down so da ye da se obe second and third wife da ba eye circumstance ne baaye ena ebi baby o free no sister pechele chechi wo baby ena ewrade adom na se ewo so gu wanu a sister
nya de so be ye free ho
despite ire mienu what is ne ira akonda sika wo fi apre nsu meboa
nenti ne sika wo fi akola nsu na ede na de akola nsu
se ero na me che se we nsusu da se beba ne sa what you say se no nim se ebeba se ya o ye sure se 100 million o de ma no ene bi o say 80 million a day ya me nya sure so be 5 million a day
yeah sure
because onim obi enu ho onim echina asem onim se enne no ebe ye de echina ebe ye nu obi enim se echina be nu na me you sure say nke ne de no ondi ni nyina obi di half na god ya kwhye echim because ene we need to meje echina we ni nje eye abrabo ekukuru hwiase ne ewo yankase ya abrabo mu yes enti me nya sure say onim wanka me sister no eka ne nijie ni nyina be ye den ebesi piama no
yo oba mercy
me aba
na so what the cool and somehow one no person
mate cool
and then one no person kan
me aba e batika samo sikeni krape mo seni o sikase o save enti e so ye okay fine and the emotions no be whatever she is bringing out na your relationship on issue tina or what she's going through emotional but she can't come because two heads are better than do you get it she have it now but let's ask send your nyane for it will not be there ufi so onje o sikeni be na uto ade ekoche na onje obeje esikafu okra no munya gift we onye ni kra wunye bi enti no or to wait, even those maybe we save it, but she will love to have more.
Okay.
And
no na emba no eno so adwendwen inside the man.
Sister, nipa emotions, natural thing no.
Okay.
It doesn't matter how much she's making it, but that one side in the emba is on her first, no. She will still think about it.
Say no na me say nti wa mo boa ne ho say.
Wa boa ne ho. All right. But still, obe person onya na wolf no.
Onya, but enu sisi ano current situation no. E be ma with the expenses. Because sister, we adwume. Ye yi we di sisi a.
Man ka say do.
That I fat one na me che.
Mami mbo ma adwene.
Be ba sha be ba.
Ale na we so we am time.
Dabi. Sisi a we adwume. Na bi a nyame fa samba, ye se kotina fie 2 months. Wakasi unim se de bia wo ba, unya tike bia unya tips. Na kotina fie unya tips bi o. Na usika de 1 million. Wo sori abedi wache kosua talia. We ubedi ni nyina. Menya hwe so obedi 3 square meal a day.
Enti ebe ha no.
Ebe ha de kire se we se bi atu nechi. We se bi atu nechi ana me
wa. O se bi ya craft still ebe ha no because of extra ones na. She wouldn't get no.
Like unya bina like what say bina ebeta how.
Debiti unya na wolf. Udi save what am I say? Because unya enough, so much enough. Say you are on budget.
Not just say me was say my ladies say adwin say when you get a rich man you shouldn't think about misusing his money.
That's not what I'm saying. And you walk around me dey fine chima no see baby am adwin. Nya me pa kire ne say e bi oboa ne ho we save. But sister, why na e wo so gu nanu mu a onpe? So what in am say
so gu anu so no che bi egu nchen say e san obetimi
akota but still ebe yes say and ebe ni the say and kasati bia na no wo mu na onya ne mo no onya
can't still who nipa no wuntimi masa mo na na wo unya no won say nya ne ba without the person now
no a problem she will be fixing.
Okay.
Enti ni never to adwendwen apart from emotional affairs. So what me to ka say sika semon nso nka wan na me
person sisi o ya bi kwa na okonya obi o say
yeah but ekuro na etu no it will take time before she will recover from all minimum bia or worry sika nipa de bi o ka say we dem fear worry we ma just say me obi a o see me kuno because expenses na koso to send na work enti ebe ha no so we save you all right but who dey fan say we see unam na we see kaira no be abeche ubi still undwe ni ayira no so wade bi wo we natural you can't run away from it. Enti account emotions can but finances and so affairs and so can be
meti ase perfect.
Okay, what you say dey nkoye
I don't know what you say on call
me me wan say
that no matter what no e bi o ye very young obenya de bi o osen ne aniku ya wejai and definitely obi ba na bra bom sisi I'm telling you say we are picking the experience from this divorce.
Okay, they are sure.
What you say? Okay. It's nipa nipa no si niku no ana on si niku na me ye sure so man 10 pesos for me sure so obedi because onim say da chi asemunti say ko onim say beba enka bia enka onu create me bia the TV station because no nyeska
yeah
but onim say e wo ho afebo e ma ye problem no ye nya bibia ye nim say dey we dey it will last forever but e was say nipa dey wo wa odwin papa odwin bone because bibia betimi esi ene wani beji e china wo rebe ho enti eno na ebia wan hwe sa ne ma ni nyina eno onu no pick the good side the sweeter side ena sisi ya no eno na through now
and a whole lot of package a whole bunch of package and yet together now or they expressing in that way.
Okay.
Ain't me person as finances no.
Yeah, that's that.
Ain't me.
Honestly, the answer na e ba na ye mre no ekọ. Den na wosusu say eye mabu na wo mo e ba no susu wo mo ensuan fan free ye nuayi na ware a wo ko ye emu no. Den na wo hu ni say wo mo betimi enya suade bi de free mo e betimi abo mo wo wo mo so ana montuo mu e ba na ware
fam me aba me da wase before ameko wo no ubisa BBC aware a okotoso bebre se me dey me support that enye ade eye dey
se wo ba ma esi
me ya se wo because na me train ni mo pa na divert ko fa baby a I'm a family life.
What do you to ask me on
pay? Support it.
Okay.
Because we dey sika kwa aware mu because nipa ni wo sika. We ni je won so hia. So witimi e no ye obi kuno. But I am scanning ti se na yenya ba ye bu ye ni akoto so. Be so won sa ade a enya wo die a obi tin wo de da obefa wo die. Obetimi akofa bi abeka wo. Are you ready for that? Are you ready for that pains? If you are ready, the abetimi atoso.
Okay.
Okay. Obi bia wo hwe me. Niam kakwa meka ne say wi asimu ne ewen onipa ye nipa bibia atumisi ejuma bibi timisi aware bibi timisi chese bebi bia ehu ye hu bia boni bi tumi to ye but nia ese wo gada ne say hu ahoden be a problem solver and my problem will be and break you asemu ba Jewon said then I metimi aya solving if silence is the answer you give silence. And I'm moving just to sound I'm on right away. Men tete because thinking doesn't solve any problem. We should overcome our problems by solving it.
Okay, Mrs. Boche. Onso so akwa ya ware free. Futu ma ya ware for omo pentem misunderstand ba ware mu na ye sig na ye na mi jai na afi eche wo mbe ba benu wo mo no futu nso so ema wo mo.
Yo me da se oba pasikapa. Ai, miss me futu kakra me de ma ye begunu a ye ba so ne se mo ma ye ntu ye bo ewo abrabo mu.
Okay.
Esan se wutu mrika. Wan hwa wo be sign baby e wo se wuduru ne ho. E na wan hwa be kwa koye overtaking. Enti abrabo de e ye nto boase ani nyamehiro. E na me de ma emebunu a eba. Na bibi so eba e me se ebi mo di kan wo abrabo mu esen ye. Enti se bibi na ye ntia se a e wo se omo edi kan dada no. Ye siki omo consent. Na omo di omo nso ewo no omo de ba ne ye de toto ya brabo no se ni nyina bo ebura enti odofo me pa mo chow me ma me ni bi nuanom munyina mo ma nyamehiro nso enka ye homeda mo ase
yo ya beda mo ase papa eye abusiafo aha ena ye de ye dwumadie no ebesie wonso wa adwenche bi fa eye enkomotwetwe a ekoso ya wonso betimi e de aba e wo tumagin comment section. Like your videos na share, subscribe to your channel no sa wonye ya mia adoma no so say dey nya upload video bia won so wetimi enya notification na wo phone or laptop and asa wo tablet so obetimi so follow yen e wo ye IG page @tumagh_. Midin e dey ekwesi kapa me ne Miss Mesical na eye Mrs. Nana ya Boche ene ne dey sinkonya e pensem ense no ha ene di besida sene ye besane hia